Let's start by drawing a big circle. This will be our planet. Inside the circle, draw some wavy lines from left to right, like soft waves in the ocean. These lines will make our planet look very special and full of patterns. Now it's time to add colors. Use orange and brown to fill in the wavy lines. You can make some parts lighter and some parts darker, just like the real planet Jupiter. Don't forget to color the big swirling spot. It looks like a storm. Wonderful! Our planet is now full of bright colors. Let's add a few shining stars around it using yellow. And we're done! You've just made a beautiful drawing of a planet. Great job, little artist! First, let's draw a big circle. This is going to be our moon. Now, inside the circle, draw some big and small round holes. These are the craters that make the moon look bumpy and special. Great! Now let's start coloring. Use yellow to color the whole moon. Then use a darker yellow or brown to fill in the craters. This will make them look deep and round. Perfect! To finish our space picture, let's add some bright stars around the moon with yellow. And we're done! You've just created a shining moon in the sky. Amazing work, little artist!